Soliom sent me the Hummingbird feeder with the camera, and it was sent to me during the winter, so I did a video. I'll have a link in the description of setting it up and figuring out how it worked. So when I had my first chance to set it up outside, I have a number of bird feeders, 2 of them. Here's a view from the Luminar one, and you can see the Hummingbird feeder is facing the red bird feeder. I thought it might catch those birds as well as hummingbirds. Didn't happen. I turned it around to face out into the yard, and that also didn't attract any hummingbirds. I switched it around and I had it face the tree. I figured that would minimize other birds from bothering it, but I got to catch some woodpeckers on the tree. And then I finally faced it out towards the pool and the out backyard. And then the hummingbirds started coming, and once they started coming, they came quite regularly. So we're going to explore some of the features of the Soliom feeder and show you some great pictures of hummingbirds. Stay tuned. When I got this bird feeder, I was a little concerned because there was no solar charge panel like I have with other bird feeders. I have an external battery pack, which is fairly strong. It also has solar power. You hook it up to the back of the camera where you would connect the solar panel, and after a little bit, a couple hours or more, it pretty much charges the camera battery, and it lasts a long time. I get 2 to 3 weeks out of it, and I get hundreds of videos a day. So the bottom part of the Hummingbird feeder comes apart easily. You unscrew the top part, and as you can see, you're able to clean out this bottom part very well. That's a good design. Works well. We brought in the Hummingbird feeder to clean it out, and we're able to clean everything except for here. You can see some mold splotches. No way to get in there with a brush. You're not supposed to remove this cap at the top. You could microwave it, and I soaked it in nice soapy water, warm soapy water. So, I don't know, one of the deficits of the design. So another question to ask is, how well does the app work? You can see my 2 bird feeder cams are here. A lot of pictures on the Vicom one. Just look up in the Soliom one. And it comes up at the last place you were, which is library. And as you can see, so far today I have 20 events, and it shows them all. And what's nice, since I'm getting hummingbirds now, is when there's a hummingbird activating it, it gives you a little bird symbol, and you get to see your hummingbird. And if the hummingbird leaves early, it doesn't go all the way to the 15 seconds I have set for my video recording. You go back to the main screen, and if you scroll up, you'll see that's the end. This is the first video of the day. It's always interesting to see the first bird at your bird feeder, and this is 6:07 a.m. Eastern Time. So if you wanted to share this, you do choose. You hit the little button. You do download, and it dumps it into your pictures on your iPhone. So you can go back, get rid of this, go to your photos piece, and you'll see that's the last entry here. And there it is. And if you go down here, you can share, Facebook, go to groups, and those Soliom Bird Fans group, I open that up. I put in a little comment. Always put your location, because a lot of people like to know where you're at and where the bird has been sown, and then you do post. And now it's on the Soliom group in Facebook. Isn't that nice? And I have a lot of bandwidth, so the fact that this is taking some time is interesting. So to me, the biggest downside to the feeder is it's very, very sensitive. Even though I have the sensitivity set to low, I don't want notifications for anything except animals, but as you see, people get noticed. There was a review by CNN of various bird feeders, and Soliom is one of them, and they also made a comment about how sensitive the camera was. So one of the reasons the camera picks up a lot of erroneous movement is because the camera is very sensitive to any movement. So I used a wire hanger to kind of restrict the movement of the camera, and it significantly reduced all those extra videos. So do I enjoy my feeder? Absolutely. I've never been able to experience hummingbirds like this before, and I enjoy watching them. So if this is something that interests you, I certainly think this would be a good investment. It's on sale a lot in Amazon and stuff, so just be a studied consumer and find it if you want. Or if you want to add a hummingbird attachment to your current feeder, it would be interesting to do. I don't know how successful that will be at getting hummingbirds. So we've reached the conclusion of this review. I hope you've enjoyed watching the hummingbirds. I certainly do. I hope this video finds everyone safe, healthy, and happy, enjoying everything in your life around you, and looking forward to each day. With that, we were going to say bye.